Hello, class 1. Hope all are fine and well at home. Today I am going to teach you that is chapter 3 from your English language, and the name of the chapter is I, he and she. I, he, she, they are called pronoun. I will discuss one by one. Now you look here in this sentence. Let us read this sentence. Peter is my brother. Peter is a good boy. Peter always cares for me. Peter and I play together. So you can see here in these sentences there is a repetition of naming word, that is a noun. Which is the naming word here? That is the Peter. Peter, how many times it is repeated? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 times the naming words are used. So today we will learn about a pronoun. As I told you that he, I, she, they all are pronoun. So let us discuss about this pronoun. Okay? Everybody look at your book. Now read these sentences. Peter is my brother. He is a good boy. He always cares for me. We play together. This sentence we have already read in before. That means here we have read that sentence. So there is a repetition of naming word Peter, Peter, Peter 2-3 times. So instead of using these naming words repeatedly, we are using pronouns. So now let us discuss what is pronoun. Pronoun is a word that are used in place of noun or naming word. You can repeat after me. Pronouns are words that used in place of noun or naming words. Now let's have a look on these sentences. Let us see. Amit sings well. He sings English song. So here you see here he is used. Who is he? He is Amit. So instead of using this Amit next second time, we are using pronoun that is he. Sita is my best friend. She lives next door. So who is she? Sita. So in place of this naming word, we are using the pronoun she. I play with my pet. So it is a dog. Who is that? Who is this it? It is that pet dog. Okay. Then Rehan, Rashi and Hari play football. They play every day. Now you see here, look at here. Here the pronoun they is used. Because here more than one person is there. That is Rehan, Rishi and Hari. So 3 boys are here. So we have used here they. So always remember that they is used in place of more than one person. Okay? They is used in place of more than one person. Next, Rishabh, Adi and I are cousins. We live in the same building. Here also 3 persons are there. That is Rishabh, Adi and I. So Rishabh, Adi and I, here I am talking about myself also. So we will use the pronoun we. So let us see the previous sentence. Here it is given Rehan, Rishi, Hari. These three we are talking about these three persons. So we are used here they. But in the last sentence we are talking about the two persons, that is Rishabh and Adi, as well as I am talking about myself also. So we are using the pronoun we. So remember, they and we, these both are used in place of more than one person. And when you talk about, that means oneself or myself, whenever you talk about myself, that time we have to use the pronoun we. Now let's have a look in the next page. I want to show you that I have to talk about where do we use this pronoun. We use pronoun I to talk about oneself or myself. I is I am. So you can see here a picture of a student. The student is telling I am a student of class 2. Next, the picture, you are a good boy. You is used to the person you are talking to. That means to whom the person I am talking, whenever I am talking with the another person, then we can use the pronoun you. Now next, he, to talk about a boy. The pronoun he is used only in place of a boy or a male naming words. He always used in place of a boy or a male naming word. Remember, okay? Now here the girl is pointing towards this boy and telling that he plays well. So this is a boy. So we are using the pronoun he. Okay? Next, you see here, this girl is telling that she plays well. The pronoun she is used in place of a girl or a female naming word. She is a pronoun that we are using whenever we talk about a girl or a female naming word. Okay? Students, are you following me? Next, you can see here 5 children are playing and this girl is pointing towards them and telling that they are happy. So as I told you that where to use they, when we talk about many people. Okay, when we talk about many people, we use the pronoun they. Okay, so they and we both are used in place of more than one person. They and we are used in place of more than one person, and he, she, it. This we can use for a one person, and it is used for animal or anything. Okay? Now let us see to the next page from your book. Here it is given, as we read in the first page, that in this sentence he is used in place of Amit, she is used in place of Sita, it is used in place of that pet dog, they is used in place of Rehan, Rishu and Hari, and we is used in place of Rishabh, Adi and I. So understood everybody where to use this pronoun? So here in your book, page number 17, here one yellow color box is given and you have to remember. What you have to remember? I, he, she, it, they, these all are pronoun, and I is used to talk about myself or oneself, and he is used in place of boy, she is used in place of a girl, and it is used in place of an animal or a thing, and they or we is used when we talk about many people. Okay, so these things you have to remember and you have to go through the chapter. So here I have given you the what are pronouns. At the beginning I told you the words that are used in place of nouns or a naming words are called pronouns. Examples are given. You should remember that pronoun take the place of a word for people, place, animal or thing. Thank you.